Hi, I'm Joe McDonald with Roche Realty Group. Today, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at a 6-acre lot, which is in the private community of Waldron Bay. So here we are, we're heading into where the site would be. Over to your left down here is already a 4-bedroom approved septic design. Over to your right is where they had their plans for a 4-bedroom ranch. They had it designed as a slab because they were going to move all the ledge away. But if you wanted to do something different, bring your designer down, take a good look at the lot, and then you could probably come up with your own plan. The great thing about this is not only is a lot, but Waldron Bay itself. 61 lots, ranging from 1 to 10 acres. Has its own private beach, has its own private community center, which you have access to. But this is up really high. This is some of the best views in Waldron Bay by far. After looking at the property, there's a couple things we want to point out. Obviously, there's going to be some site work that has to be done. There is a lot of ledge on this property, okay? You'd probably want to get your engineer to come out here to give you some site cost. But at the end of the day, spectacular mountain views. You get to look at the Ossipees, the Belknap Range, Lake Winnisquam, every single day. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you very much for your time. My name is Joe McDonald. I'm with Roche Realty Group. Make sure to check out our videos on YouTube.